Lately, Tama ba? Tama ba yung tono ko? Wait nga. Saan yun? Nasa akin ba siya? Lately, I think that I found when you come around, I don't wanna sleep. If I close my eyes, I'm missing out. I'm sipping caffeine, but just one look at me, I feel higher than every cloud. Oh, I think I'm crazy for you. You know I'm crazy for you. I think I love you just a bit. I think I could get used to this. Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy for you. I think I'm dying for your kiss. I swear I've never felt like this. Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy for you. Okay na ba yun? Hoping you feel the same, or I'll bury it deep and save my love for another day. I push it aside, but this love don't come easy, and there's no way you don't feel the fire. I think I'm crazy for you. You know I'm crazy for you. Ang ganda lang. So yun, balik tayo sa topic. Nakakatuwa rin pala yung mga sinot namin ng micro-contents. So, funny siya. Yung iba, di ko sure kung funny yung iba. Guys, 7:51. 9 minutes na lang. Kinakabahan ako. Hindi ko alam bakit. I think I love you just a bit. I think I could get used to this. Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy. I think I'm dying for your kiss. I swear I've never felt like this. Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy. Hoping you feel the same, or I'll bury it deep, bury it deep. Guys, pagka napanood nyo yung music video, babasahin ko yung mga comments nyo, ay yung mga tweets nyo, babasahin ko. The fire. Just a bit. Just a bit. Lapit na, kinakabahan ako, ba't ganun? Don't keep me waiting to say it. I'm crazy for you. mahal ako. Ano yung pinaka-favorite? Ano yung pinaka-favorite part nyo sa Crazy? Pinaka-favorite lyrics or line? Ako, I'm sipping caffeine. Asama na lagi nagkakape. Ano yung favorite, ano nyo? Favorite line?
Unplugged.
Yung crazy. Crazy. Yun lang. Baka daw ako nag-nosebleed dun sa thumbnail. Kasi nasa New York daw. Sino ba naman daw hindi mag-nosebleed sa New York? Loko-loko kayo ah. And save my love for another day. I'll push it aside, but this love don't come easy. Wow! Easy. Wow! Itong mga to, yung mga gustuhan eh. Yun talaga ang mga tumatatak sa inyo eh, no? Yung mga Banana Cats. Let's listen to your song. Okay, one more time, let's go. Hoping you feel the same, or I'll bury or I'll bury it deep. Or I'll bury it deep. Fairness sa lines, no? Galing ni Maribel. Oh my gosh! 4 minutes, guys! Guys, i-end ko na to bago mag-start yung music video. Ayun lang, gusto ko lang mag-thank you, guys. Ngayon, magti-thank you na ako bago mag-end. Guys, thank you so much for supporting my new song, Crazy. I mean, kaka-release lang kaninang 12 a.m. Pero grabe na agad yung love and support niyo for me. Hi, Tasha! Dito siya. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you sa pag-welcome kay Stel as a soloist. Medyo kinakabahan siya, pero because of your support, medyo excited siya and medyo happy siya. I mean, happy siya. Hindi pala siya medyo. Happy siya. So, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I know sobrang dami nangyayari, pero sana huwag kayo mapagod sa akin, sa amin, sa mga mangyayari pa sa mga susunod na araw, buwan, taon, or yeah. Sana nandiyan pa rin kayo. Thank you guys so much. So, pag napanood yung music video, share nyo yung mga ano nyo. Sobrang dami nagko-comment ng mga friends. Hindi ko maisa-isa. Thank you guys. Thank you. Sobrang ramdam ko yung mga support nyo. Mga support? Ramdam ko yung support nyo and love nyo for me. Thank you talaga. Kung kaya ko lang kayo isa-isahin talaga. But yeah. Thank you so much. Also, what else? Yeah. Yung baha. Sana po okay na po kayo kahit papano. Sana nasa maayos na kalagayan na po kayo ngayon. Sana medyo humupa na po yung mga baha sa lugar nyo. Sana okay po kayo ngayon. Ayun lang. Ano pa ba? Ayun. Thank you to my team. Sa inyo 18. Thank you. Basta yun. So happy. I'm back. Pero yun. Malapit na yung music video, guys. So, lipat na kayo dun. Thank you ulit, guys. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Of course. Maribel, if you're watching, or kung mapapanood mo to, again, thank you so much for the trust. I'm super happy na binigay mo sa akin tong song na to. I'm very honored. Thank you so much. Yes, so yan na, 1 minute na lang. Mapanood yung music video. Sana magustuhan nyo talaga, promise. I'm also open sa mga ideas nyo or comments or anything, constructive criticism, everything. Yeah. Everything is welcome. Again, thank you so much and please enjoy the music video. Again, this is Tel. Please support me for this solo release. Maraming salamat po and have a great night. Enjoy. Bye. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Panoorin niyo music video namin.